Hey kids, I'm Dr. Sachin. I'm a kid's dentist. Thanks for joining me today. We're gonna have so much fun. But first, I wanna talk to you about something very important. It's your teeth. Teeth are super important. We use our teeth to chew, don't we? That's right. And we also use our teeth to talk. Believe it or not, we'd sound pretty funny if we didn't have teeth. And there's one more fun thing we use our teeth for. Can you guess what that is? That's right, we use them to smile. Can I see your smile? Beautiful. All right, kids, now I want to introduce you to three of my really good friends. Meet Delilah, Zeke, and Jerry, also known as the Brush Buddies. Hey guys, how are ya?
Hey.
Hi.
So great to see you guys. Are you ready to help me out?
Oh, yes.
Awesome. All right, kids, now we're ready to play the bounce game. So remember, healthy food doesn't have a lot of sugar, so it doesn't cause cavities, and it should bounce off our teeth. But junk food has a lot of sugar, and it's gonna stick on our teeth and cause cavities. Ugh. Are you ready to help the Brush Buddies out? Great! Let's go! Okay, kids, let's see what's up first. Ooh, an apple. Let's see if it's gonna bounce or stick.
Yay.
It bounced. So that means apples are healthy and they don't have a lot of sugar and they are good for us. That happens to be my favorite fruit. So let's see what's coming up next. Ooh, candy. So let's see, is that gonna stick on our Brush Buddies or is that gonna bounce off? Ooh, man, that sticks on them. Well, that means candy has a lot of sugar and it's gonna stick on our teeth and cause cavities. Let's see what's coming up next. Ah, carrot. So boys and girls, what do you think? Do you think the carrot's gonna stick on our Brush Buddies or is it gonna bounce off our Brush Buddies? Let's see what happens.
Yes.
You're right. It bounces off. Let's see what's coming up next. Ooh, soda. Well, let's see what's gonna happen here. Ooh, it sticks. Let's see who's up next. A banana. What do you guys think? Is it gonna stick on our friends or is it gonna bounce off? Yes, you're right again. It bounces off. Yay, banana. I think we have time for one more. Brush Buddies, you got time for one more?
Yes.
Great. Let's see what's up. Ah, cupcake. What do you guys think? Is it gonna stick or is it gonna bounce off our Brush Buddies? It sticks. All right, well, that was a lot of fun. Hey, Brush Buddies, how did our friends do?
Yay.
They sure did. Now I want to talk to you about how to take care of your teeth. So remember, you should be brushing your teeth 2 times a day for 2 minutes. And I want you to be flossing your teeth 1 time a day. And I want you to have your mommies and daddies help you. And kids, I also want you to remember to, oh, what was that? Oh no, it's gunk!
Ew.
Poor Brush Buddies! Who's gonna save the day?
Never fear, Tuffy Toothbrush and Fab Floss are here.
Okay, here comes Tuffy Toothbrush. Get in there, Tuffy. All right. Boys and girls, see how Tuffy got in there and got all sides of the tooth. But wait, there's still some more stuff. It's in between the teeth. This looks like a job for Fab Floss. Fab, get in there. Oh, you're doing amazing. Getting in between the teeth, also getting in between the gums. Great job, guys. Look how happy our brush buddies are.
Ha ha.
You guys look great. How do you feel? Awesome. Thanks for helping us out. Bye.
Bye-bye. Later, Dr. Sachin.
Brush you later.
Did you guys have fun? Great, me too. So, what did we learn? We learned why teeth are important. We learned what foods we should be eating and what foods we should be staying away from. And we also learned how to take care of our teeth. Man, that was a blast. Thanks for helping us out today. On behalf of the Brush Buddies, Tuffy Toothbrush, Fab Floss, and me, Dr. Sachin, keep those smiles coming. Bye.